Hello everyone, my name is Asya Devina Putri and my student ID is 2024110230. In this video presentation, I will explain my digital academic poster entitled Listening for Specific Information. The listening material is taken from BBC Learning English, published at YouTube in 2016. This presentation will discuss the main ideas, key terms, speakers, attitude, and a short academic summary based on the listening material. The listening material focuses on listening for specific information, which is one of the most important listening skills in English learning. Listening for specific information means that listeners do not need to understand every word they hear. Instead, they focus on finding particular details, such as names, dates, times, places, or key facts. This skill is commonly used in real-life situations, for example, listening for public announcement, following instruction, hearing short conversation, and receiving important information at school or work. The BBC Learning English video explains this concept clearly and provides an example to help learners understand how this listening strategy works in practice. And I will now explain the main ideas of the listening material by dividing it into several sections. First section is definition. In the first part, the speaker examples the definition of listening for specific information. It is a listening skills where the listener focuses on important details only without trying to understand the entire message. This approach helps listeners become more efficient and less anxious during listening activities. And the second section is purpose. The second section discusses the purpose of listening for specific information. According to the material, this listening skill helps learners locate important details quickly, focus on key points, improve accuracy when listening, handle real-life listening tasks more confidently. And this showed that listening for specific information is not only useful in classrooms, but also in everyday communication. And then the third section is listening focus. The third section explains what listeners should focus on. The speaker mentioned that listeners should pay attention to and the numbers such as price or phone numbers, and then dates and times, names of people or places, and key term or important words. These elements usually carry the most important meaning in a message. And the fourth section is example and practice. In the final section, the speaker provides an announcement example similar to the one shown on my poster. Listeners are asked to identify specific information such as event, name, date, time, place, speaker, and contact information. This example demonstrates how listening to for specific information works in a practical situation. There are several key terms in this listening material. One important term is listening for specific information, which means selective listening for details. Another key term is keywords, which are words that contain important information. A common problem faced by learners is trying to understand every word, which can cause confusion and panic. The situation, as explained in the videos and shown in my poster, includes knowing what information is needed before listening, focusing on keywords, not every word, paying attention to stress and intonation, and taking short and quick notes, staying calm even if some words are missed, and then this speaker attitude and tone. The speaker attitude in the BBC Learning English video is supportive and instructional. This is shown through clear explanation, a calm and steady speaking voice, and then the use of simple examples. The tone is neutral and educational, which helps learners feel comfortable and motivated while learning. Listening for specific information is a listening strategy that focuses on identifying important details rather than understanding the whole message. The BBC Learning English video explains that the skill is essential for real-life listening situations such as announcement and instruction. The material emphasizes that the importance of focusing on keywords like names, dates, times, and place. It also highlights that missing some words does not prevent successful comprehension. By applying this strategy, learners can listen more difficultly and confidently. Overall, listening for specific information improves listening accuracy and reduces anxiety. So, in conclusion, the main message of the listening material is that effective listening does not require full understanding of every word, but focus attention on important details. The listening strategy is highly beneficial for students in both academic and daily contexts. Personally, I believe that listening for specific information help learners become more confident and strategic listeners. Thank you very much for attention. Goodbye.